Ibadur Rahman, the servants of Rahman, they do not bear testimony upon lies. La yashhaduna zur. They do not lie. One is lying, yourself, and one is bearing testimony upon another person's lie. So that nullifies everything against Islam. Whether it's Christianity, whether it's Judaism, whether it's, some people have this belief everything is okay, everything is right. No, everything is not right. Why should we become a testament upon others' lies? Why should we testify? La yashhaduna zur, it is only Allah, only the oneness of Allah. And they themselves do not lie. That is why when Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was asked that, O Prophet of Allah, can a believer commit adultery, zina? The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, yes. Sometimes he can fall into this trap. It doesn't mean it's permissible, meaning he can fall into this sin. Can a believer steal? The Prophet ﷺ said, yes, he can fall into this sin. He needs to make tawbah. Then he asked few more other things. Then he asked, O Prophet of Allah, can a believer lie? So the person, the Sahabi that was asking, thought if the Prophet ﷺ said, yes, this is also possible, this is also possible. For lying also he'll say it's possible. The Prophet ﷺ said, no. A believer cannot lie. A mu'min will never lie. Once Rasulullah ﷺ was reclining and he was advising the Sahaba radiallahu anhum, then he sat up. And then he said, Ala wa qawl az-zur, Ala wa qawl az-zur, Ala wa qawl az-zur. What does it mean? That beware, save yourself from lies. Save yourself from false claims. Save yourself from false testament. Sometimes the product, we know this product is not good. We know 100% that this is not worth selling, but yet we will market it in such a way that as if we are selling gold. Person uses the car for 5, 6 years, now the car is old. The gearbox is not working as well. And then there's engine faults as well. He'll cover all those faults and he'll sell it. No brother, I guarantee you there's no problem with this car. You can use it for 2 years, 3 years, your granddad can drive it also, no problem. You drive it down the road and the car is gone. And then the blame comes on you. Well, I sold it as seen. It was sold as seen, brother, I can't pay you back. This is zur. This is lies. And unfortunately, we as the Muslim community are trapped into this.